classic. This is Papa's recipe, Dad's rice pudding.
Creamy.
Creamy.
Delicious.
Delicious. A cinnamon stick in there, a little bit of lemon peel and vanilla. Rυζόγαλο, rice pudding. All right.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, back into the kitchen. So here's the ingredients you're going to need for rice pudding, my dad's recipe. We're simply going to boil the rice in water. So we have 3/4 cup of the Italian style arborio rice, and I am going to add 3 cups of cold water. There we go. All we have to do is now go over to our stovetop. We got it on medium. Let that cook for 15-20 minutes. Okay, our rice is cooked. This has taken about 16-17 minutes. All right. So we'll strain the excess water. We're going to pour the rice back into the pot. Okay. Here's our cooked rice. To it, we're adding our 4 cups of warm milk, our 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 strips of lemon peel, cinnamon stick. Let's take our rice pudding mixture back to the stovetop, and we'll have this on just slightly under medium. And give this a stir. And let's wait for that to come up to a simmer. So now we have to bring up our rice pudding mixture up to a boil.
You're gonna bring it up to a boil at this time?
Yeah. Our milk has come to a boil. We're gonna roost down to medium-low, and we're gonna check this in about 12 to 13 minutes. So this is after about 15-16 minutes. Our rice pudding looks ready to go. So there's a couple more stops now. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I'm adding just enough cold water to be able to mix this up. Cold water has to be added to cornstarch to activate as a thickener. I removed any sort of lumps, and we're going to add it. Okay. Look at that. One more step. We need to add some vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. If you want to go really fancy, you can put 1 vanilla bean, scrape the seeds, and add that into there, and it'll make a really posh rυζόγαλο. Okay. Rice pudding is done. It might seem a little watery. That's going to thicken up. So we're going to turn this off and let it set for a bit.
Oh, that was nice.
There we go. Does that look nice?
Rυζόγαλο time.
It is. Now, Anna, you were telling me your dad made it as well at the restaurant. Tasso versus Nico's Rυζόγαλο.
Okay.
That's my dad's name.
Hands down. Your dad's is really good.
Nico
My
wins.
dad. This is so good. You have to try it. You'll love it. It's a great recipe.
It's easy.
Good job to your dad and good job to
Thank you.
you. Let's eat some more.